Okay, but I'll intro the intro.
You intro the intro.
And you'll intro the game.
And then will you just intro me introing the...
And then you'll intro the hat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Tom will put the hat on. And then you'll do the outro.
Oh, okay.
There we go, great.
Intro himself and then...
and then end.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Hello, we're the Orange Experience, and today we're joined by Jenny Bingham. We're going to play an amazing game that Connor used to play on a great podcast he used to with Tom Bacon. Connor, would you like to introduce the game?
Yes,
There
thank
seems to be
you.
a satellite delay there. Oh.
Yes, thank
Sorry,
you.
sorry, no, go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you, Luke. I am here with you, Jenny, and Tom, and we're going to play a game called Sound Effects from My Mouth. We got people to tweet us some silly stories, and we are going to perform them for each other, but we're only allowed to make sounds, only allowed to make the sound effects. Just give it your best shot.
Okay.
Interpret it how you will, make the sounds. The only thing is you can't do any actions, which is the hardest bit.
Oh no.
It's really hard to not do the actions.
Oh, that makes it so much tougher.
We're gonna take it in turns, and then we're gonna guess which one's which. It's as simple as that.
We're gonna guess.
We're gonna guess.
We're gonna guess.
Oh, the simple guesses. Who's going first?
I'll go first. How do I define that? This is so hard. This is so hard.
I'm
Okay,
scared.
okay.
Ready? Here we go.
Oh,
Come on.
no.
Oh dear. There you go. There you go.
Was that it?
Yeah. I mean, that was.
It sounded like a little granny. It was
Animal
like,
of some
it sounded
sort.
like a granny
Oh, I
was
got
walking around
animal.
with. Well, I was
Oh.
noticing a little action. He kept doing this, like he was holding a little
Oh no, I was
walking
trying to.
stick.
That was just.
And then, I think
no
it's
actions.
like a
No
granny.
actions.
And then there was a bit of a like, wah! At the end, like
Yeah.
they met a parrot or they fell off a cliff. I think it's a granny meeting a parrot and then falling off a cliff.
Okay.
Got it, easy.
Okay.
Wow.
Cat is frightened by a trumpetist.
Like a small animal, like a rabbit or a chipmunk or
Oh.
something. Yeah, being frightened suddenly
Okay.
by a person with a tuba.
Tom was the closest.
Okay.
Tom gets points for that
Tom
one.
gets a point.
Because it was a cat gets in the wrong door and ends up in Istanbul. How are you meant to do Istanbul as a sound?
Your go,
I'll
CJ.
go next. Here we
Well
go.
done, my man.
Oh god, that was a terrible impression for cat.
Ready?
Yeah.
This one's quite a short one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Fine.
It's not. It's quite long.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, we did the video. Oh, whoa.
Wow.
Amazing.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Jenny's got it.
My guess is that it was like a seagull, maybe. It was some sort of bird flying.
Yeah.
And then there was a Frenchman, so we were in France somewhere, presumably, unless it's a Frenchman in England. And he was just minding his own business. And then there was a noise I don't know. And then the bird pooped on the Frenchman.
Some people are doing some archery, and then some French tourists come along, look at the birds, take photos of the birds on a cliff. Birds poo on the French photographers. French people with pure impact of the poo fall off a cliff and go, oh no! And the archers just carry on.
I also love that you delivered that as, okay, Gerald, yes, we're live here, and there is some archery going on.
Well, guys,
amazing.
I think I'm going to give you all points for various reasons.
What? Even Tom?
The bird flies over a group of tourists at the Eiffel Tower, then poops on them as they take a photo.
Oh.
So no
They took a
archery.
lot of
No
photos.
archery.
Go on, man.
Oh, Tom's going.
Okay, I'm going to turn around.
Tom has
We
to
can
turn
all
around
see.
to read.
Tom can only read when he's backwards.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Bean left his haunted house and looked out at the storm and just kind of laughed.
Oh, it was a storm, wasn't it? Yeah, a smug man leaves his hut on top of a mountain, and then meets into a smugger man. He meets
into a mugger man.
I've met into a smugger man today.
He meets an even smugger man.
Oh, right, okay.
Because he was quite.
Oh, and they have like a smug off.
Yeah, he was like ho ho ho.
Oh,
And then he was
yeah, I
like,
missed
open
that
the door, and there was like, and then the man was like ho ho ho.
Oh.
So I think he got out smugged.
Don't give CJ the point.
Oh, what?
It's
Go on.
really hard. A man goes outside when it's raining, but deliberately doesn't take an umbrella.
Wow, there was no portrayal of not
How are
taking
you
the
supposed to?
umbrella.
How are you supposed to do that with the sound?
It would have been. I
was
take
good.
these games too seriously. There
Nah,
would have been rain, like, and then you would have been like, no.
Mate, Istanbul.
Go on, Jenny.
Oh, goodness.
You can do this,
There's
mate.
2 left. I don't know which
Oh,
one to say.
choose one. Away. You got it.
It's never
Oh,
comforting when
no.
you're doing a video of someone and they start
You go,
almost
"Oh,
crying.
no."
You're going, oh no.
Oh, God. Okay. Gosh.
You can do
Is that the first sound?
Okay.
I like the way you're limbering up.
this. Quick warm up. Okay.
Oh.
Amazing.
I thought it was obviously 2 old people at the old people's home, and it's Jelly Day. They put one piece of jelly out, and the 2 old men run towards it. They go, "Whoa," and one of them goes, eats it all. Easy.
Okay, 2 politicians in a club are enjoying some nice wine together. When one of them doesn't like the wine and has possibly an allergic reaction to it, the other politician sort of just laughs at him, and it's a real test of true friendship here.
I like that an allergic reaction to you is.
It was the president photobombs conference goers and constantly heckles them.
Wow, that was
That's
very
what the
specific.
Because you got the politician and you got businessman. It's very specific. I was like, how do I do a
Very
photobombing
good effort.
sound?
Very good.
So,
That
What's
means
that? What does
Tom,
that
that's a
say
camera,
on the screen?
Tom. What's that? It's a camera.
What's that in the room?
Tom's got very aware of the camera.
It's the camera,
Tom, leave the camera.
Tom.
Why has it been looking at us this whole time? Oh, wow.
That means Tom wins.
Does it?
Yeah, Tom
Oh.
won.
Yay!
Balls.
Well done,
I'm not clapping.
Tom.
I'm now king.
Not clapping
Tom
that.
is
Not
now
clapping.
king.
I'm too competitive. I wanted to win.
That means Tom has won the game. Thank you for playing sound effects from our mouths, Jenny. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me. It was fun. There's one more.
There's one more. We do it as a bonus one.
After the
let's-
break.
After the
Should
break.
could we all do it and then leave the answer in the description?
Let's do that. We'll all do a bit of it.
Yeah. See if
Go
you
and
can
check
guess.
out Jenny's channel. It's really great. She's really super. And check out other stuff that we've done because we're also super.
I agree.
More than one.
Very super.
We can all be super.
They're
all right?
super duper.
There's enough super for everyone.
We
Okay?
put the soup into super, and
Uh,
it's a good one.
So here is
What's our sound?
here is our
Can we all do this
sound
together,
that we're
or?
going to do together.
Okay.
and-
All right.
Tell us what it is in the comments, guys.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Ready?
Sure.
I'll do the first bit.
Okay. Sure.
I'll go this way across.
Oh,
Here we go.
gosh.
Oh, okay. So you do.
Yep.
Right.
Bleep bloop bleep bloop bloop.
Oh. Hey, ooh, ooh, woo-hoo, bloop, 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 bloop.
Oh.
Ha.
Let us know what you thought is in the comments, and we'll tell you later. Bye.
Bye. Granddad.
Fun. So
Grandad.
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 Grandad, stop it.